Hi guys, George here again. Changing the headliner in a 2007 Volkswagen Jetta involves several steps, as the entire headliner board needs to be removed from the vehicle, the old fabric replaced, and then reinstalled. To replace headliner for Jetta we used T25, T27, and flat screwdriver. The headliner in a 2007 Volkswagen Jetta is the fabric material that covers the interior roof of the vehicle. Over time, the headliner can sag, become discolored, or start to detach due to aging, exposure to heat, or humidity. This can start at areas like near the windshield or rear window. You can attempt to fix small sections of sagging fabric using a headliner repair adhesive or spray. Be sure to use a proper adhesive that's designed for headliners to ensure it can withstand the heat inside the vehicle. For extensive damage, it may be necessary to replace the headliner fabric. This involves removing the headliner board, scraping off the old foam, and attaching new fabric with adhesive. The 2007 Volkswagen Jetta is part of the fifth generation, 2005 to 2010, of the Jetta model line, known internally as the A5 or MK5. This generation represented a significant redesign for the Jetta, both mechanically and aesthetically. The 2007 Jetta was built on Volkswagen's A5, PQ35, platform, which it shared with other models like the Volkswagen Golf and Audi A3. The safety, solid build quality, and improved interior design made it a standout in the compact car segment of the time. If you are not comfortable doing the repair yourself, you may do it at Auto Upholstery shop in Culver City. We are located at 10003 Washington Boulevard in Culver City 90016. And the car is ready for happy customer. Enjoy! If you have any questions, please feel free to contact with me at 310-435-8417.